Let's make a delicious homemade butter cake. It's so simple, fluffy, and buttery, perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. First, add softened butter and sugar. Beat them until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each. Now pour in the vanilla essence. Mix until perfectly smooth. Sift together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add them to the butter mixture. Add milk little by little and mix gently. Do not overmix. Grease the pan with butter. Lightly dust it with flour. Pour the batter into the pan. Tap it to remove air bubbles. Preheat your oven to 180 for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool completely. Slice it beautifully and serve this soft, buttery cake. Enjoy every delicious bite. If you loved this easy butter cake recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.